Dubai just closed the strongest quarter by sales value in its history. Over 500 billion dirhams in transaction last year. 22 straight quarters of growth. And the headlines are screaming comeback. And that headline is going to get a lot of impatient money into trouble. Because the number everyone's celebrating is hiding the number that actually matters. I'm Tahir Majithia, and at Prime Capital Dubai, we've placed serious capital through multiple cycles of real estate. I've been in Dubai for over a decade. I've gone through the 2014 decline of Dubai's market. I've seen what it was during COVID. So when I see a record value quarter, I don't look at the headline. I look underneath it. And underneath it is the single most important fact about this market that nobody's putting in a thumbnail. Value is growing roughly 4 times faster than volume. Fewer deals, bigger deals. That is not a speculative boom. That's a maturing market, and a maturing market does not reward the strategy that made people rich 5 years ago. So what's really going on? 1. This is a 2-speed market. Villas and low-density prime are pulling away. Villa prices are up around 12.5% year on year, and the gap between villas and apartments actually widened through the first quarter. Limited supply, families wanting space, global capital treating Dubai as a safe haven. That's the engine. Apartments are still up year on year. Don't let anyone tell you they crashed, but they've started to soften quarter on quarter, and that's where the risk lives. The comeback the headlines are selling is mostly the villa story. If you bought a generic one bed to flip, you're in a different market than the one in the news. 2. The supply wave is real, but it's also misread. Depending on whose pipeline you read, somewhere between 75,000 and 145,000 units are scheduled across this year. That sounds catastrophic, guys. Here's what the panic merchants leave out. In the first quarter of 2026, only about 7,500 units actually completed against a schedule of nearly 30,000 units. Dubai handovers consistently run below the projection rates. Delays, phasing, that's the historical pattern across every cycle I have worked. So the risk isn't a citywide supply crash. The risk is specific. A generic apartment in a high handover pocket with similar types of apartment bought on assumption of a 20% upside at handover, that trade is dead. The easy flip is over. What a real recovery actually looks like, it isn't a stock market relief rally. It's a population growth, job creation, tourism and business events firing together. And it's the 2040 master plan, the 20-minute city, green spaces, walkable communities, livability for a maturing population. When those fundamentals are all firing, that's the revival. That's the long game. Now let me tell you how to play it. So how do you position? Here are my 3 moves. Number 1, be selective. The days of buying anything and watching it rise are gone. Villas and established low-density communities are outperforming. Look where new supply is limited. Align yourself with the Vision 2040. The assets that hold are in communities built for end user near transport and green spaces. End users create stable market, speculators create volatile ones. Adjust your timeline. Don't wait for a V-shaped recovery in prices. It isn't coming and you don't want it to. Transaction volumes dip in uncertainty and recover with stability, usually with pent-up demand behind them. The advantage goes to whoever's holding quality before the fundamentals catch up to the headlines. The headlines say comeback. The data says recalibration. Both can be true, and only one of them tells you what to buy. If you've got the capital ready and you want quality deals before they hit the open market, good developer, real fundamentals, get on our deals list. Link is in the description. That's the one thing to do right now. Now, guys, understanding all this is one thing, but if you're seriously interested in investing in Dubai's real estate market, we invest with a plan and not a pitch. If you're seriously wanting to know about opportunities in the market currently, and how do you navigate this time? Because only in times of uncertainty you find real good opportunities. There's a link below in the description. Click on the link and you can book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll be happy to assist you. We'll be back with other such informative videos very soon.